topic, that is programming languages for artificial intelligence. So let's discuss them in detail. The best programming language to use is Python. The reason for this is the simple syntax which we can use in Python, and the simple syntax will allow us to spend much more time on planning the code structure, which is why Python is an ideal choice for machine learning processes. It has ready-to-use libraries, object-oriented programming, and easy testing and faster development. So we can say Python is our go-to language for customized artificial intelligence solutions. The best part of Python is it can easily integrated with other languages like Java. The next language we can use is R. So when we think of statistical processes in programming, we use R for it. The high efficiency of the programming language separates it from other languages. So more than the general abilities of R, the extended packages are the one to consider. So when these extended packages like G models, 1R, TM are coupled with a wide range of libraries, the capabilities of the R programming language reach new heights. Next we can use is Java. So it is probably the most used language around the globe for different processes, and artificial intelligence is definitely one of them. The best benefit of using Java programming language is the presence of virtual machine technology. So by using this virtual machine technology, the implementation process is easy and it saves our time and energy to compile the program again and again. So what you need to do, you just need to write the program and compile it on one platform, and the program is ready to be implemented on the other. Next is Lisp. So the huge credit of what we are witnessing the artificial intelligence goes to Lisp. It is the oldest language which is used by AI and the second oldest language used overall. So it has always been considered as a tool for leading companies in AI with its enlarged scope of turning thoughts into reality. So the language differentiates itself from other artificial intelligence languages by eyeing precisions. The next one is Prolog. So Prolog introduces us to a separate world of its own, completely designed by logic. So it requires three important factors from our side: rules, facts, and the desired result. Once we provide all these requirements, the programming language will figure out the link between the three and design the artificial intelligence solution. Other languages we can use are C++, JavaScript, Haskell and Julia, but here we'll prefer to use Python. As I told you, it is easy to use. So this is all for this topic. We'll meet you next time. Till then, stay tuned with StudyKosh. Thank you.